too much fun here. That's all I have to say. I actually have a headache from laughing, so that's good.
Nothing to do with the beer.
I didn't even have beer. Shut up.
Earlier did.
What? I can't hear them because you guys are being loud. Sorry. Go ahead.
Damn.
Oh, it was.
She's mad at me. So.
Was it Annie? It was like Annie Clemens.
Yeah, Annie. No, she got Annie too.
It was like an Annie Clemens candle. And
Necklace?
yeah, and it came with the sticker. No, I didn't get the necklace because Jen took it from me. Sorry. She took my gift. Did you just burp? Did you just burp in my ear? Yes, I'm talking to you. He's like, I thought you were talking to someone else. No, it sounded like you burped, and I was like, you have got to be kidding me right now.
Oh, I think my phone's dying.
Okay, I'm going to pass you the next person because the phone's going to die. Alright. He can't even talk.
It did sound like he burped. It just.
Yeah, the phone's dying.
Are you there? He's like.